So hi everyone, my new book Launching in Your Pocket, Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on #3 on Amazon bestsellers. So go grab your copies and find the link in the description below. So hi everyone, today I will be directing you how you can run the latest Llama 3 model that is released by Meta recently in two variants, that is the 8 billion model and the 70 billion model. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to generate your Hugging Face read token. So how to generate that? You need to go to your Hugging Face account, and eventually you need to go to assist tokens in settings and then create new token, and that should be read token. Now, once you have created your token, you need to set this HF underscore token environment variable with your token that you have generated. Now, next, using the transformers.pipeline functionality that Hugging Face provides, we will be loading the Meta Llama 3 8 billion model. So basically, if you know, Meta has released two variants of each 8 billion and 70 billion model, that is the baseline model and the instruction fine tuned model. So basically, the difference between the two is that the baseline models are usually text completion models. They don't understand the human questions, they can't interact, they can't have a conversation. While the instruction fine tuned models usually can have conversations and can understand your questions. So right now I'm using the Llama 3 8B model, that is the text completion model only. So you would be seeing that how I'm providing the prompts also. They won't be questions but incomplete inputs. So let's get started. So first of all, you have generated your read token. You can set the HF underscore token variable with the read token. Set your model ID as meta hyphen llama forward slash meta hyphen llama hyphen 3 hyphen 8B or 8B hyphen instruct also, whatever your system can load. So I tried loading it into Collab, but the instruct model failed because of RAM getting crashed. So I was able to load only the Llama 3 8 billion model. But if you have a better hardware, you can load the other models as well. Next, using the transformers.pipeline, we will be mentioning text generation, model ID, model key arguments, torch, float 16. So to reduce the precision for the weights that are getting used, and device map is auto. So basically to switch between GPU and CPU. If you don't have a GPU, you need to mention CPU here. So once you are mentioned this line, you are ready to go. Now I will be writing a few prompts and I will be showing you the performance. So the first prompt is, hey, how are you doing today? So this is taken directly from the example that Hugging Face has mentioned. So generated text is, hi, how are you doing today? I am doing well. I am a little bit tired because I. So it's a little incomplete. As you can see that the final token length that we are generating can be increased using max length parameter that you can pass. I haven't passed it because the inferencing was very slow, so I tried avoiding that. So the next prompt that I tried was, one day when I was going to school, it is able to complete, saw a man who was very poor and he. So the sentences that are getting generated are making sense and the performance looks fine. Second, I tried out a data science problem involves, then it is able to come with three steps: collect or generate some data, and are not able to generate further because, as I told you, using a default parameter max length equals to 20. You need to increase it to generate more, but as I told you, inferencing was slow, so I tried avoiding that. I tried a programming question also, but in that case, it was just able to introduce what the function is about, not able to generate the code because of the limit. And the last one is, my phone is Samsung Galaxy S3. I have 4G connection, etc. So looking at the results look quite promising, even in terms of different variety of problems that I'm trying to ask it. It is able to give decent answers. It is not hallucinating, and the replies are making sense to me. So it is worth trying out, and I hope that you try it out. And if you have a better hardware, just change the model ID here. If you wish to load the instruct model for a better conversation, do 8B hyphen instruct, and if you can load the 70 billion model, that's great. So this is how you can load Llama 3 model into your local or in Google Colab and try it out.